And here pretty soon we should be taking off, going faster. We gotta pick up a whole lot of speed to take off, I think, unless the jet engines just lifts us off. That's tight. I feel like GTA in real life, taking off on one of my airplanes. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I feel like we slowing down, so we going like 5 miles per hour right now. So we're in our takeoff of strip, but he has to get clearance before we take off first. We gotta look at the jet stream from the engine. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but I can't. That air is moving fast. If somebody was right there right now, they'll get sucked up and chopped up. That's split stream. I can see the split stream in real time. That split stream gotta be going about 60 miles per hour. That's a lot of fast, hard wind right there. Doesn't look like it, but it really is. This is gonna be good content. Have you been on an airplane before? Comment where you left from and where you flew to. Let's keep the conversations going in the chat. That's United Airlines. I wonder when I get rich where I'm gonna park my own private jet, cause we gotta pay for a hangar. But I wonder if I have to keep it on at the airport or if I just build my own airstrip at my house. Can I just keep it at home? This is the last look at Texas until we come back next time. This is a 12-minute video so far. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I feel like this is about to be a roller coaster ride. It's already fun. So I don't know if they started the time now, but I'm gonna start the time once we take off. I almost hopped on a train at the airplane. At the airport. Because I thought my cousin got on one. I probably would have got left. Hopping on a train. I thought he took a train to the airplane. I wish I could have vlogged the whole trip. Like, I can't wait until I get me a GoPro, a couple of GoPros, and then I can vlog my whole life. If you haven't donated yet, you need to donate. So you can get on my featured YouTube channels and so I can travel the world. So if you haven't donated to my YouTube channel, make a contribution by donating. And then once you reach the $50 point, I'll put you on my Wall of Fame. But once the last person already on the Wall of Fame gets their shout out, I'm raising the prices to $100 a piece. So you better get in while it's $50 a piece. And then I'll give you a shout out. In GTA, you'll get, if you spend $50, you'll get a 12,550,000 a shout out and time to play with me and my crew members, and that's life-changing money right there. And then if you're new to my YouTube channel, if you subscribe to my featured YouTube channels, you get $1 million, but you have to go to their YouTube channel, like their most recent video, comment your gamer tag, and say Lamar7up sent me. And if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you get $300,000. So if you want $1,300,000, subscribe to me and my featured YouTube channels. Look at that other airplane right there. I think it's that time. The engines are rearing up. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Make sure we still recording.
Please be seated for takeoff.
He just said it. Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff. There's a plane in front of us. Maybe we gotta take turns taking off. We gotta wait our turn. That plane's probably gonna take off, and then another plane's gonna take off. I hope nobody got COVID. They said 1 out of 8 people got COVID. Oh my God. And there's more than 1 out of 8 people on this airplane. Oh my God, man. All right, there's one plane taking off right there. I hope y'all can see it. They gotta pick up speed, and then it's gonna be off. The wing is in the way. Sorry if it's turned a little bit to the angle. It's the position that I'm in. All right, once that plane in front of us is cleared to roll, the airstrip, look at the planes behind us. It's like a bunch of planes behind us getting ready to take off too. That was dope. Yep, I hope we live. Every time we take a flight, we put ourselves at risk. Buddy's food is smelling good. Alright, here we go. Oh shit. I gotta hold my phone a little bit tighter. This is so exciting. Check it out, we're getting ready to take off. I'm getting ready to start the stop clock. Once I see we up a little bit. We got those trees in Texas. Alright, we're taking off. I feel us gliding. I'm starting it. We're in the air. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yep, we're in the air. Look at our shadow down there. That's us, folks. Oh shit, buddy is tilting. This is fun. We was gonna take a helicopter ride. It was like $400 for 3 people, but nobody else wanted to go with me. But now we're in this airplane. This is lit. When we get high enough that we can't see the ground and we're in the clouds, I'm gonna go ahead and end this stream. But if you watched all the way to this point, put in the chat February viewer, and I won't forget about you when we get to the house. This is dope. I am having so much fun. This is so exciting. I'm gonna see if we can see the house we just bought out here in Texas. I tried to get my homegirl Love to come over, but she lived in Dallas. We got a house in Houston. That is so dope. That's scary though. I wouldn't want to live right under the airport where planes be taking off. Any malfunction, it's over. Alright, we almost in the sky. You see all that air pollution? You can tell by the smoke up here. That's air pollution up there. That's crazy. Can y'all see it? We're really in the air right now. We're gonna get so high that the clouds are gonna be right next to us. Once we can't see the ground anymore because of the clouds, then I'll go ahead and cut the stream off. But this is tight. I kind of want to, oh shit, my ears just popped. Look at the water down there. This is tight. Look at that. Oh, I guess this is our cruising level. Alright, we tilting again. It gotta be fun being a pilot. This is great. Oh my god. I gotta experience this with people. This is so fun. Look at that water down there. It's blue. The first water we passed up was dirty brown. My arms are getting tired. Once we get higher, I think I'm gonna go ahead and stop. I think we're supposed to get to like 40 or 30,000 feet. I don't know. We're still extending up. Like if you look at the front of the airplane,